So, as well as headphone cues, cue mix, cue gain, and the big cue that sets the beginning point of your song, there are hot cues. Oops, accidentally pressed one there. So, big giveaway there. How to set a hot cue. First and foremost, you just press the button. You instantly get on the screen a little flag in your track and a little flag up here. And I don't know if you can see it on the image of the main waveform, a little flag in there. So that is now set to play from there. Sorry, I can't quite hear that. There we go. So this is a really ropey hot cue. I don't like that one. I'm going to delete it by pressing and holding shift and pressing it. Instead of that, I'm going to, well, if I put it at the beginning, that's my main hot cue, so that wouldn't be much use. I'm going to go in a bit. I can hold the platter there, set one there, set one there. There's where my bass line starts. I'm going to set one there. Now, in cue or playing, if I tap these, it will play it straight away. As I said, if I'm playing, effectively you're editing the track live by having pre-prepared hot cues. On the screen, they're all shown with exactly where they are in time. They're all shown with different colours, and you can see them here. You can see them on the track as they come up: red, yellow, and in a couple of bars, blue. So they're really useful for being creative with your mixing, for jumping around inside a song, for skipping parts you don't need. They're also really useful just for flagging up parts of the song in the main waveform to remind you that something's going to change. You may have prepared a mix where you're going to mix song 2 and song 1 together, and you know that actually at this point, at the end of this, I don't know, perhaps it's a verse, this is where you want to start this song for your mix. So you use a little cue point. Change. Let's say that beat is where I want to start my mix. I put a hot cue there. And it's just there as a clue. You can see it coming up on the top waveform. There's my little hint. And then on the main waveform I see it coming up and I go. That would be an idea. Using it as a flag.
In tracks.